Rick Santelli standing by at the CME. He's got some numbers for us. Rick, good morning.
Yes. February read on producer price index, and do realize that we rejiggered the way we calculate this at the end of 2009. So we don't have a huge amount of history, and last month's headline at up 1.3 was the biggest. We've cut that more than in half as we come in as expected, up 0.5%. So up 0.5. And that is the headline. If you strip out the all-important food and energy, another direct hit with regard to expectations, up 0.2. That follows up 1.2. So the numbers in the rearview mirror, and they still might get revised. They trickle in slowly. Those were huge, huge numbers. Now, if you look at ex-food, energy, and trade, it's also up 0.2, 1/10 lighter than expectations. Now let's go long. Let's take the final demand year over year. So basically the headline, 2.8. That is definitely hotter than the 2.7 we were expecting, and it's over 1% higher than the 1.7 in the rearview mirror. Ex-food and energy year over year, so that's the core up 2.5, 1/10 lighter than expectations, 0.5% hotter than our last look. And if you look at ex-food and energy year over year on the trade side, it's up 2.2. We're expecting up 2.5. These are really big numbers on the year over year, and we want to continue to pay attention to them to see if what's in the producer price pipeline ends up filtering through to the consumer, which we received the day before yesterday, and it definitely gave the equities a shot in the arm, not because it was cool, but because it wasn't hot, hot, hot. Now, this one probably will fall into the same category. I would be surprised if we don't see some improvement with regard to what the equities view of inflation is based on this number coming in a little bit lighter. But whether it's the 4th of July or beyond, we know things are going to get hotter on the price side. What we don't know is how patient the market will be, even with the prodding to be patient by our central bank.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.